All right, boys and girls, we are starting a new chapter, and this whole chapter is about what's called solutions to a system. All right, so first off, we have what does it mean to be a solution to an equation? All right, you notice here we have a whole bunch of equations, we have a whole bunch of coordinate points written with those equations. To be a solution, that means that if you plug it in, it comes out to be true. Okay, so let's take a look at this problem right here. Determine if it is a solution to the equation. So remember, our coordinates are always x, y. So I'm going to substitute those into the problem. So it's 4 times 1 minus 3 times 3 equals negative 5. And then work it out. Notice I'm not solving for anything. There's no variable left. I'm not trying to get anything by itself. I'm just going to do order of operations. So that's 4 minus 9 is 4 minus 9, negative 5. Yes, yes it is. So the answer is yes, this is a solution to the equation. All right, let's do another one over here. All right, so here I have the equation, here I have the point, it's always x comma y. Take the information, put it into the equation. So negative 2, 3 times negative 1 is negative 2 equal to negative 3. No, it's not. Those are not the same thing. So no, this point is not a solution. This, remember from the last chapter, whenever you have two variables, that's a line. All right, I could graph this if I wanted to. To show you what I'm talking about, this line looks like this. This equation makes this line. This point, negative 1, negative 2, is right here. This point is not on this line. That's what it means. So what we're trying to find out is this point on this line? All right, so we plug it in, we work it out. It came out to be no. If I would graph this and find this line, this point would be on this line because it worked out. So that's what we're doing here. Now, a system of equations means there's going to be two equations. All right? So tell me that the order point is a solution to the system of equations. So we have to find out if it's a solution to both of them. So again, we have our point. It's always x comma y. And we're going to plug it into each equation. To work, it has to be true for both equations. It can't just be true for one. So here's equation 1. Plug in the points. Is that true? Is 2 plus 5 7? Absolutely. So it was a yes for 1, but now I need to check equation 2. So here's the equation. Plug the same point into this equation. 2 times 2 minus 3 minus 5 is 4 minus 15, negative 11. If you're not sure, get out a calculator and make sure. And the answer is, of course, yes. So this was yes, this was yes. So the answer is yes. Okay? Let's do it again down here. So equation 1. Again, x is always first, y is always second. Plug them into the appropriate place. Here the equations, out of order, doesn't matter. Put them in the appropriate place. 0. Do the math. Does 0 equal 4 minus 4? Yeah. So the first one checked out to be true. All right, let's check the second equation. Same point. Does 0 equal 2? No, of course not. So if one of them does not work, the answer is no. All right, so that's a big part of what you have to do. Do these two on your own. Any questions? All right, take a look at the next one. Any questions? All right, very good. So now we can check to see if a point I give you is a solution to a system. And the other thing that we're going to talk about is I'm going to give you a graph, and you're going to have to tell me the solution by looking at the graph. So I'll give you a graph. So this first one here, oh, sorry, I had my slope the wrong way. So, where do these two cross? So by looking at the graph, can you tell me where these two cross? Well, they cross right there. My graph's a little sloppy, a little hard to read. When you're on big ideas, it'll be a lot easier. So I can see right there, 1, 3 is the point where the two lines cross. So all you're gonna have to do is look at a graph. The graph will be there, and then you can tell me where the two lines cross. All right, boys and girls, take your time, ask questions. Good luck.